that and explain if you upload.
Okay, yeah, now I'm recording, but then I will have to go through the same thing over again. Okay, maybe I'll do that.
Ma'am, can you
So
upload it in that that school app?
yes, yes, I will upload the recording. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so mm, this is the metric system. You know, from kilo to milli, if you uh, see from kilo to, if you want to go to kilo to hectare, if you convert some kilo to hectare, you can add, you can just multiply it with 10. If you want to go to hectare to deca, you can multiply with 10. So like this. And if you go to kilo to meter, you will multiply to 1000, 10, 10, 10,000. You want,
Thousand.
Yes.
you know that, right? That is a metric system.
Yes,
Yes.
That is,
ma'am.
yes. So if you go from meter to milli, you will multiply to 10, 10, 10,000. From meter to
1000.
millimeter, you will multiply with 1000.
Okay.
Same way, if you convert something from milli to meter, you will divide it with 1000.
Thousand.
Yes.
Yes. So
Then ma'am, then it is that's why it is coming 10 to the power minus 3.
yes, that's right. Then it will be 10 to the minus 3. But if you go beyond this blue zone, if you go beyond that,
Yes.
after milli, that is micro. Okay. If you only
Yes.
multiply milli with 1000, you will get micro. If you
Okay,
multiply,
ma'am.
if you multiply micro with 1000, you will get nano. And if you
Yes.
multiply nano with 1000, it will be pico. So after that, the conversion to get the micrometer or nanometer, you have to multiply with accordingly. And if you
Yes,
convert
ma'am.
it, if you convert
Ma'am, a question is given there. How many micrometer are there in 1 centimeter?
okay, so you, if you have to okay, let me do the annotations
So
here.
it,
So if you
so ma'am, it will
have
be
to
10 to the power minus 4.
micro to centi, is that it?
Yes. Yes,
O-
ma'am.
okay, so centi, okay, so micro means 10 to the power minus 3 plus 10 to the power
Hmm.
minus 1 means 10 to the power minus 4. Yes, right?
Gotcha.
Okay. Okay, now you understand how to convert that?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and this side is also some large units, but I don't think you will need that now. So this way, okay, if you converted micro to meter, that will be 10 to the power minus 6. So like that only. So I will send this PDF, I'll send this presentation as a form of PDF, and I will upload that in study material so that you can use it
Remote.
and have it.
You know.
Okay, so that is the chart you are asking. So is anyone having problem with it? I mean,
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Micrometer to 1 millimeter.
micrometer to millimeter, not 1 millimeter. From 1 micrometer to how much millimeter? Then you'll
One
have,
millimeter.
okay, so 0.001, I mean 10, 1 by 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 micro to milli. See, if you want to convert it to
Minus
milli,
3, so ma'am.
minus 3,
Minus
yes.
3.
If you're going,
That we can write 10 to the power minus 3 only.
yes, from micro to milli, 10 to the power minus 3. If you convert it milli to micro, that is this thing, then you
Hmm.
will be adding, I mean, you'll be multiplying with 10 to the power 3.
Hmm. Then should only 10 to the power 3. If
Yes,
we milli to micro.
yes, that's positive sign. That will be there, positive, on the power will be positive.
Wait, ma'am. Let me to
Okay,
take a screenshot.
I will send it at PZ, as send it as PDF.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am,
So
another question is there, na 2.5. Then
yes,
one mitochondria
yes,
is
yes,
in figure 2.9 is magnified as 20,000 times that one.
okay,
Can you
wait,
do that one?
yes, wait, let me open the book. So that's in page number,
Page number 23.
page number 23. Okay, so this is if you have another I mean, if you are, okay, first let's do this. 23, question 2.5. Okay, the mitochondrion in figure 2.9 is magnified 20,000 times. Using a ruler, carefully measure the maximum length of the mitochondrion. Okay, then you have to measure the length here. I don't have a ruler. I am not using the hard copy. So you'll have to do that. Okay, someone just measure it with ruler and tell me the number.
Of mitochondria.
Yes, in figure 2.9, there's a picture of mitochondria in red. If you can see that.
2.9. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So do you have a ruler? If you have a ruler, please measure how many centimeter it is.
Yes, ma'am. Telling.
Okay. Okay,
Ma'am,
from
it is coming at like 7.3 or something.
7.3. Okay, 7.3 centimeters. Then it will be, the first question is record your measurement in millimeter. That is 7.3 centimeter. Then you'll have to multiply it with 10 to get it in millimeter, isn't it? Then the answer will be 73 millimeter. Did you understand?
What, ma'am?
Okay.
What, ma'am? Repeat it.
Okay. So you have measured the mitochondria in the picture, and you got that it's 7.3 centimeter, isn't it?
Yes.
So
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
so the first question 2.5a, they
Yes.
want your answer in millimeter. So
Yes.
from converting centimeter to millimeter, you will have to multiply.
200.
No, 10.
10. Yes,
20
yes,
to
10.
milli, yes, 20 to milli,
Yes,
it's
10.
10.
Yes, yes.
Then
10.
7.3 into 10, that will be 73 millimeter,
30.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. 73.
Yes, so 73 millimeter is your first question's answer. Now convert your answer to micrometer. Okay, to 73 millimeter is how much micrometer? 73,000, because you are multiplying with 1000 now.
Yes.
So the answer will be 73,000 micrometer.
Micrometer.
Yes. So question 1 answer is 73 millimeter. So question B answer is 73,000 micrometer.
Oh,
Now,
addition.
question C.
Yes.
Use the formula. Real size in micrometer. Okay, you
Ma'am,
need
second one answer.
73,000.
Second one answer.
Yes, 73,000
7,000.
micrometer.
Yeah.
Okay, let me write this.
Yes, ma'am. Write it.
Okay, wait. So mitochondria in picture is 7.3 centimeter
7.3. Wait, ma'am.
equals to 73 millimeter. We can also write that 73 millimeter.
Yes.
That is,
Yes.
and that is your answer A.
Ma'am, in
Yes.
answer they are giving 74.
Then you have measured it wrong, because maybe that is 7.4.
Yes, it is coming 7.3 or 4.
Yes, if it is 7.4, the answer will be 74. Okay.
4.
So there is a 0.1 centimeter difference, 1 millimeter difference. So that's
Yes,
very
ma'am.
minor.
It is coming approximately like that, 73 and 74.
Okay, let's
Immediate.
take their word for it. Let's take the book's word for it, author's word for it. So okay, so now answer B, you have to convert it into micrometer. So it will be,
No, ma'am, it is 7.4.
yes, 7.4, and that is In millimeter, 74.
74 millimeter.
Yes, 74 into 1000 equals to, yes, because you are converting it to micrometer, na?
Yes.
Yes. So it will be micrometer. Okay, I don't know how to create the symbol here. Okay, micrometer, you know how to write that the symbol?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, you write that, but here I don't know how to use that, so I'm just writing micrometer.
And we
Okay.
can write this one.
Oh,
U and M.
I am very bad at drawing. Very bad in drawing. Okay. I don't know how I can do that. Okay, so that is question B's answer. Now question C. What is it? They want you to use the formula, the real size in micrometer. What is the real size in micrometer? Real size in micrometer. What is that? That is the real size in micrometer. 74,000 micrometer is equal to size of the image in micrometer divided by magnification. Okay, size of the image in micrometer, that is 74. That, okay, I made a mistake. That is the size of the image. Okay, that is the size of the image. Okay, now to calculate the real size of the mitochondrion, you have to calculate the real size of the microbiome, that is here. Okay, maybe I can write that. Real size in micrometer in
7400 divided by
by
2000.
yes, equal to 7400 divided by the
20,000.
Yes, 20,000. No, 30,000, I think. 20,000.
No,
Okay. Oh, yes, 20,000. The question have given this 20,000. Okay, so what do you get? 74 by 20. 74 by 20 means 7.4 by 2. 7.4 divided by 2 equal to how much?
7.2. Yes, 3.7.
3.7. So that's the answer in that is the real size in micrometer. So you get that.
How many? Yes, ma'am. I have get 3.7.
3.7. So that is your, okay. I don't know. So that is your answer. This thing.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your
how
answer.
many of these mitochondria could you line up to end between two of these marks on your ruler?
Okay, how many of these your mitochondria could you line up end to end between two of the millimeter marks on your ruler? So between 2 millimeter marks of your ruler, that is 1 millimeter. You know that?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 millimeter means how many micrometer? 1000 micrometer?
1,000.
Yes.
1000 micrometer. So 3.7 micrometer is single size of is the real size of a single mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
So, yes, so 1000 divided by, okay, then you will have to do 1000 divided by 3.7. What happens? 1000 divided by 3.7 is equal to
3700.
3700. So you will be this much, 3700.
You have to convert into millimeter.
No, no. Why would you have to convert it to millimeter? 1 millimeter, that is the gap. 1 millimeter is the gap in your ruler, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so that is 1000 micrometer. And size of single mitochondria is 3 micrometer. So if you just divide 1000 micrometer with 3.7, you will get the amount that how many.
In answer, the answer is given wrong.
Okay, what is the answer then?
270.
270.
The
Okay,
answer is given wrong.
is it? Okay, let me do the calculation by myself. Why answer is 2.7? Because here 7.4 by 2 is equal to 3.7, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. And upper answer is 3.7.
Yes. Then
They have done 10 to the power 3 divided by 3.7. Then it comes 270 of them into 1 millimeter. They
okay,
have
what
given wrong, ma'am.
1000 divided by 3.7? They have done that also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in my calculator, the answer is showing. Let me. If I divide 1000 by 3.7, my calculator is showing the answer 27. Okay, I lost it. Wait.
270.
Yes.
Why it is showing?
270.
Yes,
Point.
yes.
Yes.
100 divided by 3.7. So
Yes.
point will go up 10.
So that is showing here.
Yes, ma'am. It is the 100 is dividing by size.
They are dividing 100.
100,000.
1000.
Yes, that will be it. 1000. I mean, you will divide 3. You will do that calculation actually. Isn't it in the book?
Yes, ma'am. They have done right only.
They have done, or we are, I mean, are we right or they are right? I don't know.
They are right, ma'am. The answer of the book.
So,
We are wrong.
did we match the answer now? Is it
Ma'am, we have to do the division with 1000 divided by 3.7 and we have done 37.7 divided by 1000.
No, not that way, not the other way around. You will have to do 1000 divided by 3.7. So 270 is 270 the answer?
Yes, they have done round off.
Okay. Yes, yeah, that will be that. So 270 is the answer. Final?
Yes.
Okay. So that is your answer. Okay. Now what? Now which question? Every question is completed. Okay, and what you asked me yesterday, that give you the function and features of ER and mitochondria, I will
Yeah.
upload that on Monday.
Yes.
Okay, I will upload that on Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
And if you want it, I can upload this PPT also. Do you want the pictures?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is just for your, I mean, personal reading. I don't think detailed question will come like that. I don't think so.
Ah,
Okay, so I will upload that also. And the chart will be there
so
at the end of the page.
say to আসেন না
Okay, so now I think every one of your queries are solved.
Yes, I'm clear from this chapter. When you
Okay.
give that chart, that is after giving that chart, it is always
Okay.
clear.
Okay, so mainly the
And we have
conversion
to
was the
learn that
problem.
one. Na?
You have to
No, we have
remember
to
that.
learn that one.
Yes, you have to remember that.
Yes.
Not learn that
Yes, today
after
I will
milli.
learn it.
It's simple. Everything it's 1000 time after milli, or here
Yes,
after kilo. So everything
yes,
you
ma'am.
multiply with
Okay,
1000.
I will write in copy and learn it.
Okay. So I'm going to take the attendance and I will end this class. Only 4 minutes left. Okay. Okay, attendance here. Okay, yesterday was Pritam present? Pritam and someone texted in the group.
No, ma'am. Kaustav and Pritam is not
Yes.
present yesterday.
Yes. So why they asked me that they are present? I have
Yes,
marked
no,
them
I
absent.
also see that they are messaging to in the
Yes.
school app.
That is Saimuddin, Galaxy J2 Prime.
No, no. Today
What?
I am doing the class in phone, so that's why.
Okay, let me take that in this. Abu Shahid, Aditya Raj Singh,
আসেনে বললাম তো
Aditya Raj Singh,
Aditya is present.
but he is not
Yes.
answering. He has-
Ma'am,
Yes, Pritam.
hello ma'am.
Yes, Pritam, were you present in the last class?
Hello ma'am.
Pritam, can you hear
Hi.
me? Can
Ma'am,
you?
he is still